Roti is an integral part of Indian cuisine. Roti is simplest bread that is made every day in Indian household. It is made with only two ingredients, atta, wheat flour, and water. How is roti cooked? How is roti cooked? Here are the steps to make soft rotis. Rotis. First, you have to prepare the dough. It should be smooth, and when you press the dough with your finger, it should leave an impression. Knead the dough with knuckles on your fingers. Stretch the dough, knead using the knuckles, then fold and knead again. Roll each dough ball to a smooth ball, round and no cracks. Roll evenly using a rolling pin. The toughest thing to do, and this definitely comes with practice. You have to apply equal pressure while rolling the roti, and once you master it, the roti will automatically move as you roll. Move the rolling pin all the way through the rolled roti so that it rolls evenly from all sides. Tawa should be hot before you add the rolled roti. The roti will make more time to cook since the tawa was not hot, and that would result in a hard overcooked roti. Dust the dry flour atta from the rolled roti before putting it on the hot tawa. It makes the roti less dry and more soft. Flour is mixed with water. It is from this dough that the chapatis are made. First of all, the chapati is baked on both sides on a tawa. It is then put directly on the flame of gas stove. The portion in touch with the flame gets heated up. This heat produces water vapor as steam and carbon dioxide inside the chapati. This steam and carbon dioxide try to escape, and being under pressure, the chapati bulge or puff. If there is a hole anywhere in the chapati, this gas and steam manage to escape, and the chapati does not bulge. A similar phenomenon takes place when puris are fried in kadhai in vegetable oil or other frying medium. What is the reason roti didn't puff? The most frustrating part of this entire roti making process happens when it doesn't puff. The biggest reason is that it wasn't rolled evenly. If it rolled too thin to the point where edges are almost tearing apart, then roti won't puff. Make sure that its thickness is same throughout. That is a good roti which will puff. It also won't puff if the dough was too tight or hard. But now we know that why chapati puff on baking.